Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Thank you for
sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir.
Eh,
Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong iparelax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito. And I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan. Kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May pag-utos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's majority of the members of this committee. Senator Robinson Padilla, Senator Bongo,
Yes, I
yours
understand.
truly,
I understand.
and
I understand.
even Senator Villanueva. I would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can
Ayaw
give his
ko
hearing.
kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.